Hi all, welcome to Shivagana Aptitude classes. Now in this video I am going to explain the many of the logical reasoning questions which are asked in the TCS Nqt 2022 batch. The date of examination is 12/9/2021. In part 1 and part 2 I covered many of the quant related questions. In part 3 I am going to cover logical reasoning questions. Let us see the first question. Find the wrong term. The most important model in logical reasoning, odd man out. Let us see how to do this. DRTO. I am going with the options. DRTO. D to R is plus 14. R to T. PQRST. This is plus 2. O minus O plus 5, T minus 5, right? This is. Now let us see JXZU. JXZU. This is also plus 14. This is plus 2. This is minus 5. The pattern is like this. So two are following the same pattern. Rest should also follow the same pattern. If not, that is the odd one. So MAOX. MAOX. This is plus 14. Okay. AO. This is plus 14. And OX. This is plus 9. Not following the pattern. So which means this is the odd man. That is our answer. My sincere advice is write the place values. You definitely crack it. You definitely crack it. Place values. One of the important model. I am sure in the next coming slots also the questions that I covered in the slot 1 in part 1, part 2, part 3 and I also upload part 4. Will definitely appear in the next day exams also. Keep it in mind, my dear viewers. Given below data sufficiency question, one of the finest model, data sufficiency. What is our question? First, where is the question? 5 persons sitting around a table facing the center. Who sits second to the right of D? This is the question we need to answer. To answer this question, let us say statement 1 is sufficient or not alone. Statement 1 alone I am dealing. As 5 persons, that is the reason why I am making 5 parts. All are facing what? Towards center. If facing towards center, this is the right. This anti-clockwise direction movement is nothing but right movement. And this clockwise direction movement is nothing but left, right? So statement 1, A sits to the immediate right of E. If A is here, immediate right of E. E ka right. Who is this? Who belongs to what? This who belongs to E. E is not neighbor of D. So here D is not there. This is the statement 1 position. Yes, based on this arrangement, who sits second to the right of D? Is it possible to answer? So not possible to answer. Definitely not possible to answer with the help of statement 1 alone. So now statement 2 alone I am dealing. Statement 2 alone I am dealing. Statement 2 alone I am dealing. B is to the immediate left of D. B is immediate left of D. Okay, this is the statement 2 only. Now, who sits second to the right of D? I cannot answer using this statement 2 alone. Using this statement 2 alone. Only statement 2 is not sufficient. Similarly, only statement 1 not sufficient. Let us combine both statements. Let us combine both statements. Let us combine both statements. This is statement 1. Here D is not there. And B, D. So B D. So this should be B, this should be D, then it is C. Cool, right? So now I can answer who sits second to the right of D. So D ka right I can definitely answer because I placed all the 5 persons. So answer for this question is the data in both statements 1 and together are necessary to answer this question. This is both statements are necessary to answer this question. Now let us see blood relation question. We need to answer this one. Please be careful. F at the rate of R. F at the rate of R. At the rate means J is K's mother. J K. So if now here F is R's mother. F is R's mother. Right? So F is R's mother. F is R's mother. That's it. Yeah. Now next is R percentage I. R percentage I. Percentage means what? K. J is K's wife. Now R is I's wife. R is I's wife. R is I's wife. That's it. Now next one is what? I divided by E. I divided by E. Divided by means int J slash K. K is J's mother. So E is I's mother. E is I's mother. E is I's mother. E is I's mother. What next? E percentage N. E percentage N. Percentage means what? J is K's wife. E is N's wife. E is N's wife. E is N's wife. Right? For male I am using box. For female I am using circle. Right? Yeah. Now, how is R related to N? How is R related to N? R is what? Daughter-in-law. R is daughter-in-law. Kodalu. R is daughter-in-law of N. That's it. Be careful. There is a chance to do the mistake here. Sorry, divided by, right? Divided by. Here JK is the sequence. Here KJ is the sequence. There is a chance to do the mistake over here. I mean this one. You may take I is E's mother. No, E is I's mother. You have to take like this. Right? Be careful, my dear viewers. Next one. This is also data sufficiency. What is the color of human blood? Human blood color is red. I know. Now statements. Red is called white and white is called yellow. So red is called white. Here answer for the question is what? White. So I can answer with statement 1 alone. Yeah. I can answer with statement 1 alone. That's the answer my question. No need of statement 2. I can answer the question with statement 1 alone itself. This is also data sufficiency question. In which direction? This is the question. In which direction the village X with respect to Q? We have to say village X with respect to Q. In which direction? In which direction village X with respect to Q? Okay. Statement 1 is this one. Let us say village X is to the north of village Y. Now in this there is no, in statement 1 alone, there is no way, there is no information about Q. So not sufficient alone to answer. Now let us deal statement 2 alone. Village P is south of village Q. We need to answer between X and Q. There is no information in X. There is no information regarding X in statement 2. So statement 2 alone not sufficient. Now if we club both statements, If we club both statements, then is it possible to answer? Let us see. X is north of Y, village Y. Let us say this is village Y, statement 1. X is north of village Y. Y ka north. X, this is. Now, village P is to the south of Q. So, definitely I cannot answer. We need between P and Q. We need between X and Q. So, village P is south of Q. So, definitely I cannot answer. Both statements are insufficient. Both statements are insufficient. So, both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer. This is the answer to my question. So, this is about what? Syllogisms, logical deductions. First, draw the Venn diagram. All cats are mats. This is cats. All cats are what? All cats are what? Mats. Okay. Next, all mats are rat. Third statement, all mats are rat. Now, second statement, all cats are rats. All cats are what? All cats are all taps are mats kada, right? This is taps, sorry. Second statement, all cats are rats. All cats. This is the basic Venn diagram, minimum overlapped Venn diagram. Whatever necessary overlapping, that much only I overlapped to satisfy the statements. Now, basic Venn diagram. Now, see. So, conclusion 1, I am dealing about conclusion 1. What is conclusion 1? All cats are mats. All cats are mats. Yeah, that is true. Now, conclusion 2. Some rats are taps. Some rats are, yeah, taps. That is also true. Conclusion 3. Some taps are cats is not a possibility. Some taps are cats. Yeah, there is a possibility. If I draw these cats instead of here like this, I'm changing the color for better presentation. If I draw cats like this, there is no change of statements. If I draw cats like this, in that case, some taps are cats. No, this is itself is an this is, sorry, taps cats. Some taps are cats is there, right? The basic itself is showing it. The basic Venn diagram itself is showing some cats are cats is a possibility, but he is saying is not a possibility. So this is false. So all follow is the wrong answer. 1, 2, 3 follow is the wrong answer. So definitely, yeah, let us check fourth one. Fourth conclusion, all taps are rats. Yeah, all taps are rats. This there in the diagram. So the best thing is this one. 2 and 4 follows. So one of the finest model last year in all slots of TCS, this model question is given. The best way to answer this question, my dear viewers, write the place values, then only you can crack. Write the place values, and also from forward and backward also sometimes. You need lot of attention to answer this question. You need lot of attention to answer this question. For example, with the help of options, C is in 2 places. C is in 2 places. So that is the reason why I just want to deal with option C first. Option C. Option C is what? I want to deal with C. C is what? Black, B-L-A-B. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black, B-L-B. B-L-B-D-P. This is right. Next, B and C. This is B. Wait, what is the B? Mango, 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 mamtl, mamtl, right? Cool. So bl, ma, that's okay. A plus 1 is b. This is -1 mn, so this is not the b and c. Option c is not. Option c is not. So c is not following, right? Let us take a and b. Option d I am telling. A and d. This is what I am doing. A is what? plant and plzmg. D, option D is table. A and B. Yeah, B is this one. mango, mango, mamtl, right? So pl, ma, that's cool. Az, this is -1. This is also -1. Now in forward, this is +14, this is -14 backward, this is G, +7 forward, this is -7 backward. That's okay. +7, that's okay. Similar, right? That's it. Same pattern follows. Very, very good quality question. Takes a time to answer these models. That's the end of my logical reasoning section, my dear viewers. I uploaded many of the logical reasoning questions regarding exclusively TCS. Please watch regularly. Please watch, repeat, please listen repeatedly. In the video course that you crack, that you taken, right? All the questions that are appeared in today's TCS exam are already I explained in my video course. Only the numbers and the names are changed, right? For the entire video course covering of 125 videos, covering of almost 3000 questions and also company based questions, you can visit, you can mail to sivagana@gmail.com. Thank you one and all. I will do few more videos on today's slot. Thank you one and all.